Hey guys, we're going to be starting our new note packet today, so please make sure that you get to where you want to be so you can take notes. The packet is on Teams. I suggest you print it to your OneNote. If you're not sure how to do that, just let me know and I can help you. But we are going to start with our new unit, and we're not really going to get into the content of our new unit yet because we need to do a little bit of reviewing from things that you should have already learned that are going to be important not only for this unit, but for next unit as well. And so we're going to start our review off with factoring. And before we even factor, we're going to just quickly review how to multiply two binomials together. And so when I present you with a problem like this, you may automatically think of FOIL, first, outer, inner, last, or you may think of the box method. And I will show you both. I personally prefer FOIL, so I will be doing FOIL, but for today, I will show you both of them. So when I'm presented with these two, if I want to multiply the two binomials, x plus 6 times x plus 3, I'm going to do FOIL. And so I know that everything in this binomial needs to get multiplied by everything in this binomial. And so I'm going to keep it organized by drawing arrows. I know that this x needs to get multiplied to everything in this binomial. So I'm going to start with the x times the x. And when I draw an arrow, I'm going to write what I'm multiplying. That x times x. And we always add plus. And I know that this x in this binomial also needs to get multiplied by that 3. So plus, and that arrow says I need to multiply that x times that 3. Okay? Now this x right here has been multiplied by everything in this binomial. So I'm going to do the same with this 6. I'm going to take this 6 and multiply it by x. And I'm going to take this 6 and multiply it by 3. Alrighty, now I am just going to clean up a little bit. X times x is equal to x squared. You need to know that. X times x is equal to x squared. X times 3, those are not like terms, so I can't combine them. So I am just going to write them next to each other. So x times 3 is just equal to 3x. 6 times x is equal to 6x. And 6 times 3 is equal to 18. And you are almost done. We just want to clean this up so it is as simplified as possible. So my middle two terms should be like terms, my 3x and my 6x. So I want to rewrite those so that those are combined. So I'm going to make it x squared plus 9x plus 18. This is my final answer. This right here, this step was not your final answer because it wasn't simplified. So that's the FOIL method. It may take a little bit of jogging down memory lane for you, but I'm sure you are comfortable with it. And we need to know how to do it though. So if you need more practice, just let me know. You may have also learned the box method. So the box method is very similar. We're going to draw a box with 4 boxes inside like this. The first binomial, x plus 6, I'm going to write along the top, x plus 6. Keep the operation with the number. And the second binomial, x plus 3, I'm going to write along the side. X plus 3. And then you multiply what goes inside these boxes is the answer to the multiplication. So this box is going to be the answer to this times this. Alrighty, so that box is the answer to x times x. Well, x times x is x squared. This box right here is the answer to this times this, and so on. 6 times x is 6x. 3 times x is 3x, and 6 times 3 is 18. Once you fill out the box, you are going to keep everything that you wrote inside the box, you are going to rewrite in a nice line. So I'm going to write x squared plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. And you will realize this gets me to the same spot that the FOIL method got me to. I just need to clean up my middle two terms. 6x plus 3x is equal to 9x. So I have x squared plus 9x is equal to 18. Or plus 18, I'm sorry, is my answer. So whatever method you prefer, you can use either method. I personally will be using the method on the FOIL method, but whatever works best for you. Alrighty, and then be sure to watch the next video for factoring.